Danke bafethu, welcome back to Mkhulisi wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Coach Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu beyikhuluma nge-situation kalokhunjana kaBasadian bafethu ukuthi why angadlali. Ukhala ngokuthi i-competition inzima, kunzima kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Wamenshina ukuthi noModiba uperforma kahle kakhulu, so uthi akusho ukuthi i-transfer noma ukuthi basayine uBasadeni bekungasi i-transfer e-right, but uyasho ukuthi nje izinto zi-different in terms of ukudlalisa ama-player laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, ama-player amasha. Ngithi amasha because ukhuluma nge-integration, so uthi yasho ukuthi for uBasadeni ukuthi kumele ba-understand abantu ukuthi uyi-struggling nge-competition kuMamelodi Sundowns. Kusho ucoach wakhe uMiguel Cardoso uthi that is why engadlali laphana. Uthi akusiwuye kuphela umuntu laphana ostrugglayo bafethu, uthi bonke bayastruggle because of kune-competition laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ukhuluma ngo-T1 ukuthi naye uyastruggle, ukhuluma ngoThato Sibi ukuthi uyastruggle, then ukhuluma ngoDivine Lunga ukuthi uyastruggle naye. Uthi u-Aubrey Modiba wenza kahle kakhulu kule level la kuyo at the moment. Uthi is hoping or he hope, uthi let's hope uzoqhubeka laphana adlale kahle u-Aubrey Modiba, uthi ngeke wazi. So uthi i-situation laphana kaBasadeni inzima because of i-level of i-competition ku-position yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Waze waba nzima indaba kaBasadeni bafethu ukuthi ushawe ibhentshi kanje nama-grandstand. For mina uBasadeni ngiyohlezi ngisho bafethu, this guy is the best left back in the country. Abanye abantu bangathi manje wayangadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns, ama-system. Ngamuzwa uMiguel Cardoso ukhuluma nge-integration, ukhuluma nge-competition. Uthola i-team idlala certain position or certain style, wena uzojoin uBasadeni meya kuMamelodi Sundowns noma ejoin iMamelodi Sundowns, he-joined because we-believer ku-talent lakhe, and now uyazi ukuthi is better than Aubrey Modiba in terms of like i-left back, just pure left back. Aubrey Modiba akakwazi ukumaka phambili-ke because Mamelodi Sundowns isikhathi esiningi ya-dominate ama-game, is able to connect nama-midfielders nalabantu abadlala ku-wing, but akumenzi based on i-performance yakhe uperforma kahle kakhulu, angifuna ukuqamba amanga, but kune-sense of ukuthuka mabedlala ne-team pound to pound abamdlalisa u-Aubrey Modiba. Let's go back kancane ku-Club World Cup. U-Aubrey Modiba zange adlale negame eyodwa, badlalisa uDivine Lunga. Why? Because bebadlala nama-player nama-team super powerful bafethu bewaziwa. Those teams were gonna give Mamelodi Sundowns the problem, inkinga of the problem. So there was no Aubrey Modiba ku-World Cup. Cabanga mshaya ngebhentshi i-World Cup yonke. I mean, enye into imagine uThato Sibi mela ye-Europe bafethu, asibeni fair, mela ye-Europe. uThato Sibi uGudi and usa-develop, obviously la laphana ku-DTC team, but sene-first team contract already this season. Bamnika i-first team contract because sebayazi ukuthi e-Europe bayabafuna abafana be-under 20. Immediately mabaqeda ukwini i-AFCON, abafana abaningi babuza ngabo e-Europe. uSmith udlalela i-QPR namhlanje bafethu, straight from mini Stellenbosch Steelies ku-DTC team yakhona. So I mean bampromota based on ukumpromota bebangafuni ukumpromota. There's no way bafethu, yazwa, there's no way bebanama left back ayi-6 at the time, nama-left back ayi-6 upromote umfana omncane. Sikhuluma la ngama-international, uLunga eZimbabwe international, Aubrey Modiba South African international, bafana. uBasadeni le nimsayinayo nimsayinile Nzom Eda plus-ke uyi-international, bafana international. U-T1 naye musha, relatively new, but already sekayi-South Africa's international or ama-under 20. So bonke labantu laba bane-experience enkulu. So cabanga ukuthi lo sukela kwenye i-team onga-understand i-culture lana kule team le, kuyokwenzakalani ngempela ngaye. Kunzima for amajita bafethu, but ibhola, I think it's the cruelty of ibhola, ukuthi imali ngaba right, i-contract ibe right, but ungadlali, thola ukuthi udlala 2 years or 1 year sebayakurelease.